I'm going to show you how you can just withdraw money from the Binance to your M-PESA. So it's something very easy. Actually, it's very easy using your phone. So some people asked me how to withdraw that money from the whatever Binance to M-PESA using your phone, and I'm going to show you right over here. So you just the moment you sign into the Binance, this is what you get for the first time, and you just have to go up there and then click something Binance. On the left side up there is something Binance. Click that Binance so that we can just go to the home page and we start from there. Right, it's something very easy. Consider subscribing also. Yeah, so the moment you just come over here, this is our home screen. You can see akaka dot upper, this is profile center. So you just have to click akaka go up, you just click it, and then the moment you just click go to the wallet and direct go to the fiat and the spot account. So what you don't know is that any amount of money is sent to your account, it goes to fiat and the spot account. So I'm going to transfer that money from this wallet, from fiat wallet to another wallet called funding, and the funding is where our money will go so that we can just withdraw in another way. So if you just withdraw money from the fiat and the spot, when it is there we will incur charges, but on the other side there's no charges. So I'm going to transfer from fiat and need to here it is written imagine, but you have to click that so that you can select another wallet known as funding wallet. So funding wallet is just here, and you have to select another thing. You just have to select over here is the coin. So which coin were you sent to? The person who sent that, whatever you sent, what coin is sent to you? USDT, BNB. You can select any of it if you have whatever you have in your account, whatever you're going to withdraw. And the moment you just click that, you just, for me I have USDT, and you can see I have USDT over there, and I have 6.1 USDT. You can select any amount of money you can withdraw from. I think 3, because the minimum you can just, I click maximum over there. The minimum you can just withdraw on the peer-to-peer, that is P2P, is 270 Kenya shillings. You can just convert that one to approximately to USDT. You can see it just like 2.5, something like that on on Binance. So we are done with that. We have transferred our money from fiat and spot. Now our money is in the funding wallet. So what we are going to do now is go to this ISO mystery Apple, and then we just go to the trending, and then you will now go to peer-to-peer, because our money is there. And what we are going to do now is to withdraw that money now to your M-PESA. Now it's something very easy, of course, over here. And you can see the first thing you see over there up there is something written buy and sell. And what you want to sell, I want to sell now, not buy USDT, I want to sell USDT. So I'll just click USDT. The moment you just click that USDT, you can see you want it to sell what. So hizo coins go hapo chini is what you select, what you want to sell. For me, I want to sell USDT. That's what I've selected sell, and then down over there I selected USDT. If it BNB, you select BNB. Yeah. So the other thing you can just add over here is the method of payment. You just click more and add payment method. You can put your mobile phone number over there, so where your money will just be sent from. That is step number 2. Step number 3 over here, the moment you've done with that, go over here, select the person who are pleasing to you. Like you can start with who has done a lot of orders and he has a lot of high percentage of completion. You can check off it over there. From 90 it is good. Yeah, from 90 and above, that is good. And also the other thing you just have select, the moment we just scroll going down is the money reducing. You can see 19.48, 19.40. so it's something you just select something like that. So selecting the person who just registers between the money you have, and you can check from the minimum that you just have. Maybe if you have 500 Kenya shillings, you can just go for the person who just offers from 500. If you have 300 Kenya shillings, you can just go for the person who just offers from 270 to maybe to above of that money. Yeah, so it's just something very important. So there's somebody over here who had like 270. That is one that I'm going to select over here, and you can see there are so many mechanizers. Yeah, so you just so many over here. You have to look at those 3 factors. You select one of it, and then you can just sell your crime to maybe it is BNB, USDT. You can just decide to sell them over here. it is something very easy. You can decide to sell all of your maybe BNB USDT. You can just decide to sell all of it, or maybe you can select how much do you want to sell. So it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to select one of it over here, and you click sell, and the moment he sends you money, make sure that you just confirm and send him crypto. So there are a lot of conman also over here, so there are less conman, by the way. Let me not say that they are, because I've never been conned on the peer-to-peer. So make sure that you be careful, receive money, confirm that it is true you have received your money on the M-PESA before releasing the crypto. The crypto cannot go to that person before he sends you money. He sends you money, and then you just confirm the crypto goes. If he does not send you money, the crypto will not go. So don't be afraid of selling through peer-to-peer trading. See you in the next video. I hope I've answered all your questions on that.